How to use animated drawings. To start, you need to upload a drawing of one character only. Ensure that the arms and legs are distinct and do not overlap with the body, as this would result in a distorted figure. Once completed, it's time to initiate the separation process. This involves differentiating the character from its background. The objective is to distinctly highlight your character, allowing the software to distinguish and focus on the character model you've created. Next, we'll move on to the crucial step of identifying the character joints. This can be a bit tricky, but it's highly important because the accuracy of the joint placement will determine the effectiveness of your character's movements. The key tip here is to place joints at each point of your character's body that could naturally bend or rotate, such as elbows, knees, or neck. If you are not sure what each joint dot represents, hover your cursor over each one, and a brief explanation will appear. Once you're confident with your joint placement, click Next to proceed. Once complete, you can start the exciting part, selecting the desired movements for your character.